In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add MACD on Pepperstone. Start by making sure you are already logged in to your Pepperstone Creator platform. Once you are inside the platform, go to the chart where you want to add the MACD indicator. This can be any chart you are currently analyzing or trading. With the chart open, move to the top toolbar and click the Indicators button. This will open the Add Algorithm window, where you can choose from the available tools and indicators for your chart. When the window appears, check that Indicators is selected. This is important because the platform may also show other categories, and you want to make sure you are searching within the Indicator section. Next, click into the search field and type MACD. As you type, the platform will display matching results. From those search results, select MACD crossover. This is the indicator you will be adding to your chart. After selecting it, take a moment to review the indicator settings. You will see several options, including the panel, source, long cycle, short cycle, signal periods, and shift. These settings control how the MACD will appear and how it will calculate its signals based on price data. If you already have a preferred trading setup, you can adjust these values now to match your strategy. If not, you can leave the default settings in place and change them later if needed. The important thing is to confirm that the setup matches what you want before adding the indicator to the chart. Once you are ready, click Add to Chart. The platform will then load the MACD crossover indicator onto your selected chart. In most cases, it will appear in a new panel below the main price chart. This separate panel makes it easier to read the MACD lines and monitor momentum more clearly. After the indicator appears, check that it is displayed correctly. Make sure it is attached to the right chart and that the values and lines are visible in the lower panel. If everything looks correct, then the MACD has been added successfully. That is the full process for adding MACD on Pepperstone using Creator. It only takes a few moments once you know where to look, and it gives you a useful tool for tracking trend momentum and potential signal crossovers directly on your chart. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.